Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will basically show you how we can compress or reduce the size of any JPG PNG image using Node.js, and we will be using a library called as Jimp, J-I-M-P. It's an image processing library in Node.js which can be used to convert images or reduce the size, compress images. We will be looking at an example here. This will be the image we will take here, profile.jpg. This is my original image. The size of this image, let me show you. The size is about 145 kilobytes, and now I will basically run this script which I written here. I will provide the path of the file here, profile.jpg, and compress image.jpg will be created once I run this script. And now I will show you the size difference. Here we have taken the compression quality. You can change to 10 here. So if you lower this number, then basically the quality of the image will decrease, and also the compression will take place. The size will reduce. And as I now execute the script here, you can see image cropped successfully, and now in the left hand side you will get a image right here. So you will not see any quality degradation issues, guys. The quality remains the same. This was the original image, this was the compressed image, and if I try to show you the size difference, uh, this was the original size 145 kilobytes, and this is a reduced size which is 40 kilobytes. So considerable amount of reduction. You will see that, guys. You cannot notice any degrade in the image. You can just alter the quality here. If you want to, in the script, you can change this quality to, let's suppose, 50%, and then you can run the script, and once again open that image here, and you can see the difference here. This is now 90 kilobytes. From 145 kilobyte it has reduced to 90. So based upon that, you can basically whichever quality you like here, you can see, you can zoom the image and then decide. And now I will show you basically how I did this. So first of all, you just need to install this module inside by using npm jimp. This is the name of the library, Jimp. Just install this, and first of all we need to require this library. So we will say const Jimp, and we will require this module, and then we need to provide the input file which is present in the same directory, so profile.jpg, and then we also need to provide the output file which will be created. So let me call this file as compressed result.jpg, and then we have basically the variable which is the quality, compressed quality from 0 to 100. If you put 100 here, so no compression will take place. If you put here, let's suppose, 70%, then 70% of compression will take place. So I need to compress it considerable amount, so I will put here 50, so half the compression will take place. So now we need to read this image first of all. So Jimp provide a function which is a read function. So this object contains some methods here. First of all, it will read the image from the input file path. Then it returns a promise. We can handle this using dot then, and then we get this image right here. So right here we now need to return here the actual image which is returned, and you can console log this image, guys. It will basically contain all the properties, metadata related to the image. If I execute this script right here, node index.js, you will see in this object all these things are returned to us: original name, background, bitmap, width, height. So all this information is returned, and now from this we need to say image dot, and now we can simply change the quality of the image from we can pass the compression quality here, and then write asynchronously the output, so whatever output file that we need to return. So this also returns a promise. So all these functions are async functions, so all these returns a promise. We can again handle this by dot then, and here we can simply say a message: image has been compressed. So this is a simple script, guys, with the help of Jimp library. And now let me delete this and once again run this Node.js script. And in the left hand side you will notice a file will be created, compress result, and the original size is 145, it is reduced to 90. You can basically experiment with different images, guys. So different images are taken with different cameras, different devices. So based upon that, you can just change the code, change the compression quality, and just whichever compression quality you choose, you can play with this library. So thank you very much. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.